Okay, for today lesson, I would like to show you how to shade a combination of set using numbering technique. A combination of set usually involve three set, which is something like this: set P, set Q, and set R. If you see a diagram something like this, what you have to do is label all of this set. It will be something like this: universal set here in this box. Circle number 1 is set P, circle number 2 Q, and circle number 3 is set R. For numbering technique, what you have to do is to determine how many empty parts in this diagram. I will color the empty part to show you how many parts in this diagram. Okay, this is the diagram, right? So I will color it. Let's count together. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are seven parts in this circle. How about this one in this box outside the circle? Is it empty part? Yes, it is empty part also. Then there are 8 empty parts in this diagram. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 empty parts. So I can label it. So I can label this diagram, which is the element something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. After you label all of these element in this set, what you have to do is list all of this set. List universal set, list P, list element Q, list element R. Okay. First, element universal. Universal is all the element in this box, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You can write like this. Okay. For set P, element involved is in this circle only, which is 1, 2, 5, and 6. Then I can write something like this. Next, element in set Q is in this circle only, so I have 2, 3, 4, and 5. I can write like this. And element in set R is in this circle only, which is I have 4, 5, 6, and 7. I can write something like this. Okay. After you done listing all of these elements, make sure you check again, so there will be no mistake. Okay. For this part, look at the question. For example, question A: P union Q intersect with R. Okay, if you see question something like this, what you have to do is from left to right. From left to right, first you can do P union Q. For P union Q, okay, I can write like this: P union Q. Union means take all the element in that set, which is here I have set P and set Q. Take all element in set P and Q. Then I can write like this: 1, 2, 5, 6, 3, and 4. Okay, we check again in this set P first. Set P have number 1, number 2, 5, and 6. Okay, all the element in set P are complete. For set Q, number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, this one also all the element in set Q are complete for this one. Then after you have done P union Q, then let's take a look at the question again. P union Q intersect with R. Then you can write something like this. P union Q intersect with R. So I put a bracket here. P union Q is what you get from the above, right? Above. And intersect with R is from the question. So I can write like this. I write for P union Q first. P union Q 1, 2, 5, 6, 3 and 4. Okay, this one you get from this above. Okay, and I can write this one intersect with R. R is element in set R, which is 4, 5, 6 and 7. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, make sure you write it correctly. Then you take a look at this element here and this element here. For intersect is find the element that are same on that set. Okay, you have to find the element same here, that will be same here. Then you will notice that there are 3 element only, which is element 4 here and here, 5 here and here, 6 here and here. Then you can write your answer something like this. P union Q intersect with R is 4, 5 and 6. Okay, after you get this one, you have to shade on the diagram. You have to shade only on this part only, 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5 and 6. Okay, let me shade for you. Okay, 4, 5 and 6. So this one will be your final answer. By using a numbering technique, it's make easier for you to shade. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, for this question, we have same diagram, same set, and we also have same element from the previous question. But for this question, it different from the previous one, which is this question asks for P intersect with open bracket Q union R close bracket complement. Okay, for the previous one, there are no complement. Okay, for question something like this, what you have to do first, in a bracket, you do in bracket first. I can write like this, Q union R, which is in the bracket, right? Q union R, this is union. Take all the element in Q and R. Then I can write like this, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, check for union for set Q. Set Q 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, all the element here are complete. For set R, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, element in R also complete. Then after you do in a bracket, what you have to do next is for a complement. Okay, I can write like this, Q union R complement. Okay, Q union R here is what you get from above. Alright, then I can write something like this. Open bracket, element 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, close bracket and complement. Okay, this one is what you get from above. Okay, you can see it is same, right? You can see this one is bracket here, here, bracket here, here and complement. Okay, for complement, it say that not element in that set, not element in that set. So we have, in this set we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So what is not in this one? Okay, I will color for you. Okay, I will color part number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I will color here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, you see complement, right? Okay, complement is not element in that set. Okay, if we can see the in this diagram, what element are not shades with red pen? Only element number 1 and number 8, right? So element number 1 and element number 8 is a complement for Q union R. Then I can write like this. In a bracket, Q union R, close bracket, complement are element number 1 and element number 8 only. Okay, you get it? Okay, let me clear again for you in this diagram. Okay, after you get this one, this part, you take a look at the question. P intersect with open bracket Q union R, close bracket, complement. Okay, this one you already get, right? But for this part you not get yet. Then I will continue here. Okay, I can write like this. Okay, this is the full question, something like this, same like this. Okay, then I can write for this one first. I can write element in set P first. For set P, I just take all the element here. Okay, element, this is element P. Then I write this one intersect. Then I write element here, which is 1 and 8. Okay, if you notice that 1 and 8 here is same with this one. Okay, we'll find it same. Then you take a look at this element here and this element here. You can see this intersect, right? Intersect, that means find the element that are same in that set. Okay, you have to find element same in this set and this set. Then you will notice that only one element same, which is number 1. Then I can write a answer like this. P intersect open bracket Q union R, close bracket, complement is element number 1 only. Okay, then what you have to do is to shade on this part only, which is part number 1 only. Okay, I will shade it with red color here. Okay, then this is your final answer for this question. Okay, let's move to next question. Okay, for this question, it also have same diagram, same set and same element with the previous one. For this question, it asks for P union in bracket Q intersect R complement, close bracket. Okay, for this question, what you have to do first is in a bracket. But in this bracket, you notice that there is a complement which is for set R. So if you see something like this which is in a bracket have a complement, then what you need to do is a complement first. So I can write like this. I do R complement first. Okay, for R complement is complement said that not element in that set. So for set R here 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? So I can color it for set R only 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? So this one have a complement which is complement not element in that set. Okay, not element in that set which are not the color region. So if not color region are number 1, number 2, 3 and 8. Okay, so you can write it like this. R complement is 1, 2, 3 and 8. Okay, not the color element. Alright, okay, let me color this first. Okay, now after you get R complement here, do in a bracket. Okay, I can write like this. Q intersect R complement. For this one, do write element in Q first. Okay, element in Q is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Check 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, then I can write this one intersect with R complement. R complement here is what you get from here and here. Okay, I do a box so that you can see. Okay, here and here are same. Okay, after that, what do you see from this set and this set? Asking for intersection. If asking for intersection, what you have to do is find the same element in this set and this set. Then you will notice that only two elements, which are element number 2 and number 3. So you can write for this one is like this. Q intersect R complement is element number 2 and element number 3. Okay, now you are done at this part. Okay, look at the full question. P union open bracket Q intersect R complement close bracket. Now you done with this part, right? So what you need to do is for this part here, P. Okay, I will continue here. I write a full question here, same, right? Okay, for this one I write set element in set P first. Element in set P here 1, 2, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 5 and 6 is element in set P. Okay, check 1, 2, 5 and 6. Okay, correct. Then I can write union here, union, and I can write this element here. This element here is 2 and 3. Okay, this element 2 and 3, I box it, is where you get from this one. This one and this one is same. Okay, then you take look at the operation. Operation here is union, right? Union is to take all the element in that set. Okay, if you have to take all element in that set, just copy all the element that have. Okay, then I can write like here. Okay, I have 1 2 5 6. Here I have 2 and 3. So if you get all the element are correct with this above set, then you are correct. So how to shade? If you want to shade, just take all the element in this part only, which are 1 2 3 5 and 6. So I will color for you. Okay, color at part 1 2 3 5 and 6 only. So this is your final answer for this question. I hope you understand what I have teach you for these 3 question. Thank you.